Olansi Water Treatment Equipment Company Limited, a high-tech enterprise, established in 2009. Our affiliated factory has nearly 40,000 square meters production base, focus on healthcare products developing and production. We are playing an important role in air purifiers, water purifiers, and hydrogen water makers. Our affiliated factory with ISO approved. Got certificates of UL, CE, CB, ROSE, and SF, FCC. Obtained praise of excellent supplier for overseas customers in the past 16 years. Selling to Europe, Germany, Poland, Russia, America, Japan and Korea, Southeast Asia. Cooperate with big brands around the world. Starting from market research, structure design, our affiliated factory has evaluation center, 18 injection machines, semi-mechanical filter workshop, dust-free product assembling lines. As a one-stop integrated production system of healthcare industrial chain, with 16 labs. Olansi providing OEM and ODM deep customization service for whole units and filters with professional strong teams in product planning, R&D. International Standard Evaluation Center, marketing, sales, quality control, and after-sales service. Now Olansi is one of China's top 5 air purifier suppliers. We are selling to over 60 countries and areas. We believe that you can rely on us, as we provide you quite satisfactory service and products with high quality at competitive price in the world. We will always pay full attention to ensure you satisfactory service.